हेलो एवरीवन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब लोग खैर आफियत से होंगे। टुडे आई विल टेल यू अबाउट हाउ यू विल फिल डॉट स्कॉलरशिप एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म। आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा अपने डॉट स्कॉलरशिप एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म को कैसे फिल करना है, उसके बेनिफिट बताऊंगा। ठीक है, टुडे आई विल आल्सो टेल यू अबाउट बेनिफिट ऑफ डॉट स्कॉलरशिप। सो फॉर मास्टर्स यू विल गेट 850 euro. For PhD, for master is 850 euro, and for doctor program is 1200 euro, and that is enough for living in Germany. So that is a good scholarship. They recently announced this scholarship, so I will also tell you about what majors they have. They have many majors available, like you can see from this list. They have different majors. So mostly majors they have like duration is 24 months, 42 for PhD is 42 months, and from MSc like for master is 24 months. So you can select any majors. You can apply three majors at the same time. So you can three universities and three majors. So you can select any three majors and you can apply there. Okay, and specifically you can check requirements of the majors and university. Okay, so now we will fill dot scholarship application form. I already filled some parts, so I will tell you about it. So this is the main dot scholarship application form. So first of all you need to enter your name. आप सबसे पहले आपको अपना नेम इंटर करने पड़ेगा, देन कंट्री नेम, और जिस कंट्री से आप हैं वो उस मतलब पाकिस्तान से तो यहाँ पे पाकिस्तान लिखेंगे, ठीक है। एंड नेक्स्ट वन, इफ़ यू आर अप्लाइंग फॉर PhD, you need to select this one, doctoral candidates, okay, candidates. And next one is if you are applying for postgraduate, you need to select this one, okay. So according to your requirements, like you are applying for a bachelor, masters, or doctors, mostly they have master and PhD programs, they don't have bachelors. So next level, we will go second page. So next page, first one is your surname. You can check your passport, there is written there your surname and given name. So first of all you need to enter your surname and then your first name is given name. आप अपने पासपोर्ट को चेक करें, वहाँ पे आपका गिवन नेम और सरनेम दिया होगा, तो उसके मुताबिक आपने यहाँ पे अपना नाम लिख लेना है, ठीक है। इफ़ यू आर मेल तो यहाँ पे आपने मेल को सिलेक्ट कर लेना, ठीक है। एंड नेक्स्ट वन, योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ, यहाँ पे आपकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ आ जाएगी, आपकी तारीख पैदाइश, ठीक है। और उसके बाद आपका डिस्ट्रिक्ट यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हैं या अपनी तहसील, यू कैन राइट डाउन हेयर इज़ योर सिटी और डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेयर। एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज़ योर कंट्री नेम, लाइक आई एम फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान, सो आई विल राइट देयर पाकिस्तान, ओके। यहाँ पे आपने कंट्री का नाम लिखना है। एंड नेक्स्ट वन is your, if you are single you need to click single, if you are married you need to click married, and if you have some children like 1 2 3, how many you have, like 6 5 or 2 3, what you have, like, so you can select here. If you don't have, you are single, you can select this one, okay. And next one is your country again, permanent address where you are currently living in, like if you are living in Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, you can write down here is your address, okay. If you currently you are living in another countries like European countries, Canada, America, you can write down here address, okay. So this one you can easily write your street, like which street you are living in your country, so you can write down here, and your postal code, here you will write your postal code, आपका पोस्ट कोड यहाँ पे एड्रेस आ जाएगा। देन कंट्री नेम, योर कंट्री नेम आ जाएगा। उसके बाद आपने यहाँ पे अपना फ़ोन नंबर लिख लेना, ठीक है, कुछ भी लिख लें। ये मैंने इरेगुलर लिखा हुआ है क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग कांटेक्ट करते हैं, तो इस वजह से मैंने वो अपना करेक्ट नहीं लिखा हुआ यहाँ पे फ़ोन नंबर। सो नेक्स्ट आपकी ईमेल आ जाएगी, ठीक है, वहाँ पे आपने अपनी ईमेल इंटर कर देनी है, ठीक है। उसके बाद नेक्स्ट जो होगा आपकी सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन आ जाएगी, ठीक है। सेकेंडरी एजुकेशन में आपकी आ जाएगी मैट्रिकुलेशन, लाइक विच ईयर्स आपने मैट्रिकुलेशन किया हुआ है, यहाँ पे स्टार्ट होगा जिस साल आपने स्टार्ट लिया था, एंड देन इज़ एंडिंग टाइम व्हेन यू गॉट योर डिग्री, ओके। यहाँ पे वो कंप्लीशन का टाइम आ जाएगा, और यहाँ पे आपकी कॉलेज या स्कूल यहाँ पे सेकेंडरी स्कूल का नेम आ जाएगा, ठीक है। और उसके बाद यहाँ पे सेकेंडरी स्कूल एजुकेशन लिख देंगे आप, एग्जामिनेशन, एंड देन मैट्रिकुलेशन, ठीक है। मैट्रिक और मैट्रिकुलेशन यू कैन राइट इट, ओके। एंड देन जिस ईयर आपने वो डिग्री हासिल की है, लाइक आपने मैट्रिक किया, यहाँ पे वो आ जाएगा, यू राइट डाउन योर अवार्डिंग years. And next is your percentage. In more cases there is grades, percentage, A, B level or something. You can write down his average is also okay, or CGPA is not possible in school levels, but they have grade systems, so you can write in what grade you have, like A or B, so you can write it according to your requirements. Okay. The next part is degree awarding institutes. So your previous education, like your college degree, your master degree, your bachelor degree, you can write down all from which year you start and which years you ending, from start to end. You can write down here. And next one is your school name. You can write down here your school names, where school you got your degree, and then your subject, like you got pre-engineering, ICS, computer science or something, which subject you have, you need to write down here. Okay. And next part is main subject. So main subject, your bachelor degree or master degree, what main subject you have. Like I have electrical engineering, you can write down according to your, like arts, business, what you have, you can write down here. Okay. And next one is your year of graduations. Okay. So I got my degree, master degree, like 2022. If I want to write my according to my bachelor degree, I will write down here like 2016 I got it. Okay. And next, सो करंटली एफिलिएटेड, अगर तो आप करंटली स्टूडेंट्स हैं, लाइक 7-8 सेमेस्टर्स में हैं, ठीक है, या मास्टर के 4th सेमेस्टर में हैं, तो यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हैं यूनिवर्सिटी का नेम जिसके साथ अभी आपकी मास्टर या बैचलर हो रहा है. ठीक है. अगर आप ऑलरेडी ग्रेजुएट हैं, इफ़ यू ऑलरेडी ग्रेजुएट, यू कैन राइट डाउन हेयर नॉट एप्लीकेबल. ओके. एंड नेक्स्ट, so on the basis of which degree you are applying for, for masters in Germany DAAD scholarship. For example, I did my bachelor of engineering and master, but I'm applying on my basis of my bachelor degree. So I write down here year of graduations, bachelor of engineering, subject is electrical engineering and first class degree. Okay. And next, there are expected before taking up. अगर तो आपकी ग्रेजुएशन अभी एक्सपेक्ट, इफ यू डिडंट गेट डिग्री स्टिल, यू कैन राइट डाउन हेयर expected date. Like if you are in 7 or 8 semester, you can write down here like months. Sorry, you can write down here like 01, like 12, like 2023. This date you will get your degree. If you already, I wrote down there 2016, so it's possible only. I already got my degree. And next, which program you are applying. Mostly master program, they have 24 months. Okay. And you can also check there, I will show you. Like here you see all programs are available, like even master programs all is available 18 months plus 24 months. 18 or 24. For PhD is more 42, 44. Okay. So we will write down here 24 months. And mostly in Germany, they mostly start like this duration, like which semesters, semester from which starts. You just need to enter is according to, November, December or January. Even you can write down there January, because this is the basic information. This is not correct. 2 years degree, 24 months. So you can write down there according to the requirements, like for 2 years, 24 months. So it's just basic requirements. Okay. It's not too much compulsory, but it's better you can write down here. And here I wrote down 2 universities name because I am interested to do my master in 2 universities. I will show you like here. One is renewable energy sciences and another one is RAM, renewable energy in management. Okay. So I write down 2 university names here. आपने दोनों यूनिवर्सिटी के नाम यहाँ पे लिख लेने हैं, और यहाँ पे आपने ऑलरेडी 24 मंथ्स लिख लिए हैं, तो यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हैं दिसंबर टू दिसंबर 23 to 25 आना चाहिए. ठीक है, 25. एंड देन अगर आपने यूनिवर्सिटी से ऑलरेडी कंटेक्ट किया हुआ है तो यहाँ पे आप नो करेंगे. ठीक है. अगर नहीं किया हुआ, किया हुआ है तो यस करेंगे, अगर नहीं किया हुआ तो नो करेंगे. इफ़ यू ऑलरेडी कंटेक्टेड विद द यूनिवर्सिटी, यू कैन सेलेक्ट यस. इफ़ यू डिडंट, देन सेलेक्ट नो. ओके. एंड व्हाट मेजर यू आर अप्लाइंग इन दैट मास्टर प्रोग्राम्स, you can also select there. They also written there their names, like I am applying for this programs. Like if you want to apply for this focus and Latin America, I wrote down there. Okay. So I will write here both majors name, first one and the second one, okay? And then uh, do you intend to obtain a degree? Are you really interested to obtain degree? Yes, I want to obtain. And then which degree? I'm applying for master, so I will write MSc. Okay. If you are applying for PhD, they will also write down their MSc, and for PhD they also wrote down there like wait 24 and 42 like fair PhD. You will write down their PhD. Okay. And next portion is your research. Like this one, you must need to make your projects according to that field's requirement, master requirement. So here will be your research subjects or your interest, what your interest, everything you need to write it here. Okay. So this part is for available for only research projects, like your interest, why you want to study in this university, why you selected Germany, your interest, your fields, everything you need to write down here. And next portion is your referees, like recommendation letter you already got from your previous institutes. From how many professor you got? Two, at least you need two, but you make it three is also okay. Like first you need to write down their name, university name, and then email address, or you can also attach, if you have phone number, you can also write down here their phone number. So second referee and third referee. Okay. And next portion is your language skill. If you speak well like Germans, like some level, so first level, second, or what level you have, you can write down there. And if you speak more than one language, you can also write down there. Like I wrote it there, English, Chinese, and Urdu I speak well, so I wrote it down there. Good, good, fair, or poor. It's better you can write down there very good. Okay. English, Chinese, and Urdu. Okay. एंड नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज हैव यू रिसीव्ड अ पैसेज इन द पास्ट. अगर आपने पहले ये दौद स्कॉलरशिप ली हुई है तो आपको येस करेंगे, अगर नहीं ली हुई तो नो करेंगे. ठीक है. और यू हैव यू बिन स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय अदर इंस्टीट्यूट्स. अगर आपको अदर इंस्टीट्यूट ने सपोर्ट किया हुआ है लाइक प्रेजेंटली, ठीक है, तो आप उसको कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. तो अगर नहीं किया हुआ तो आप नो करेंगे. ठीक है. और यू अप्लाइंग अंडर अनदर दाद प्रोग्राम फॉर द सेम पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. अगर तो आप इसके अलावा अदर दाद प्रोग्राम पे अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो आपको येस करना पड़ेगा, और यहाँ पे आपको अपने प्रोग्राम्स लिखने पड़ेंगे. अगर नहीं किए हुए ज़्यादा तो नो कर दें. ठीक है. और उसके बाद आप अगर करंटली टू अदर इंस्टीट्यूट्स में अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो यहाँ पे येस करके वहाँ पे आपका इंस्टीट्यूट लिख देंगे. ठीक है. अगर नहीं कर रहे तो ओनली यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं तो ओनली नो होगा. ठीक है. उसके बाद व्हाट डिसीजन हैव यू रिसीव्ड. लाइक अगर आपने किया हुआ है येस करेंगे, फिर इसका लिख देंगे आपको क्या डिसीजन मिला है. अगर नहीं किया हुआ तो यहाँ पे यू विल ओनली डू नो. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज योर एक्सपीरियंस. I tell you before, for master program in Germany, a DAAD scholarship, you must need 2 years experience in related fields. Like you did bachelor's, and after bachelor, you must have 2 years experience to apply for a master program in DAAD scholarship. Okay, so you must have 2 years experience. Is not enough. Less than 2 years is not enough to apply for DAAD scholarship. They will not count your application. So it's better you will complete your 2 years experience and then apply for DAAD scholarship. Like I do it 2 years. Like I did it from 2017 to 19. It's 1 year's internship, 1 year experience, and then I did it 19 to I did it like 2022 to 23. Oh, sorry, here is my mistake. Sorry for that. This one will be your education. Like, have you traveled to other countries? Like, which country have you traveled recently? Like 1 month, 2 months. Like, if you travel for some European countries, you can write down there. Like, I traveled for China 2 years. For language, Chinese language, I wrote it there. And then 3 years master degree, then I wrote it down here. So first one is from which years to which year. Okay. And then where country, China, for study. अगर आप ट्रैवलिंग के लिए कहीं गए हुए हैं तो यहाँ पे आप ट्रैवलिंग लिख देंगे. ठीक है. अगर बिजनेस ट्रिप है, एवरीथिंग यू कैन राइट ऑन देयर. एंड स्पोर्ट्स, अगर आपने एज ए ट्रैवल किया हुआ है, विजिटर किया हो, तो यहाँ पे आप फैमिली स्पोर्ट लिख देंगे. ठीक है. अगर स्कॉलरशिप है तो स्कॉलरशिप का लिख देंगे. और जो मैंने पहले मेंशन किया एक्सपीरियंस का, वो ये वाला पोर्शन है. So we need to write down here experience, like which years you got experience. 16 to 17 1 year, 22 to 23 year. If you have more, you can write down more experience. So but at least you need 2 years experience to apply for DAAD scholarship in Germany. And next one is present your occupation. If you are working currently in any company or you are doing bachelor, master or anything, you can write down there your available positions, like what you are. Okay, so for me, I'm currently not working, so I wrote in not applicable. Okay, and next one is, will you be granted leave for absence for your stay in Germany? Will you be granted leave of absence? सो आपको अगर लीव की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, लाइक मैं काम नहीं कर रहा तो मुझे तो ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. अगर इफ़ यू आर करंटली वर्किंग, यू नीड लीव राइट फ्रॉम यूनिवर्सिटी, फ्रॉम योर एम्प्लॉयर. So next one, your available positions, like if you will complete your master degree, what you will become, what you want to continue your careers in which fields. Like I want to once managing positions or some university lecturer. So then my next portion is extracurricular activities like badminton, tennis, and books. What activities you have? Like if you play badminton, football, sports, cricket, everything is okay. Okay, you can write down there. And next one is, which seem important to you in connection with this application. First of all, if you do it, some activities like some, welfare societies, if you did it before, some activities with other organizations, so that is also plus points and your application will be strong. You can write down here your experience and everything in 3 portions. Okay, so it's easy. And next one is, you can write down your emergency contact number, like if they didn't reach you, they didn't contact with you, they can call your emergency contacts. Like you can write down there your family members, your friends, they are available. So you can write down there their names, post office, zip code, which province, country names, phone number and emails. Okay, and next one is your place where you are living. Okay, so you can write down there and to the date where you are filling the application form, and here will be your signatures. Okay, you can also attach your electronic signatures or you can write down by hand and just take a print. Okay, and thank you. This is the short video, so thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channels. In future I will make more videos related to the Germany, Italian, Chinese language and Japanese government scholarships, and even for UK government scholarship. So thank you so much for watching my video. Okay, bye bye.